It's done. Every single pathway is now down. So this is a permanent grow your own area. And boy, doesn't that feel good. And do you know something? Through the whole build of this, the weather has been absolutely gorgeous. Blue skies, sunny days, and quite warm for the time of year. Moment we're finished, it is absolutely freezing here. I have to say, we all had to huddle up in the greenhouse for 5 minutes before we're ready to come back out again. That's empty, but that'll be filling up before you know it. A lot of my sensitive plants are just over under cover near the house at the minute, but every single path has done. Hey, it's a good job we didn't over-order, isn't it? Right, look at that. I was trying to persuade Adele, saying I think we need some more beds, some more pathways and more beds over the other side there, because we've got 4 beds here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be our crop rotation for our different categories of crops. This big border here will probably be for a lot of volume stuff, things like lettuce, where we want to turn quite a lot of it over because we use it more regularly, and a little bit of fruit as well. But we also need space for the cut flower production, so we can cut our flowers fresh and bring it into the home. So I think with the material we've got left over, can't resist it. We'll put a few more beds in over in that direction. The bees are over in the corner. They're coming back a little bit later. My hives are over with my friend Brian at the moment with his hives. When the weather starts to warm up a bit, we'll bring them all over. But there we have it. We're ready to get started. Next job that we've got to do is to start building the raised beds and then put the soil in, work over, weed, clean up and get going before we get growing. And we'll be doing that quicker than you think, because February honours. We're going to be inside the greenhouse here. Let's have a little look. Starting to, oh, it's warm in here. Well, you can hear the difference as we get inside. Starting to get it going. I've got a bit of cleaning up to do. There's a lot of writing on the walls here. This is really because when we relocated the greenhouse, we wanted to put back every pane in the exact position. They're all roughly cut to the same size, but we just want to be double sure. But we're in. It's had a couple of gales and the greenhouse is still up. They made me paint my benches here, so it was a bit more aesthetically pleasing. But the door here has got its traditional. I quite like the traditional, you know, the cedar colouring, the grain of the wood, rather than the battleship grey. But I'm only hired for the horticultural bits, not the aesthetics. Anyway, we'll be starting planting soon. What a result! All the paths are in.